Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. And right now, we're going to start off with some big money. 1,000 chips. $1,000 in chips, that is. So let's make this money, break this bank, and go get a nice steak dinner. Or fish dinner if you're vegan. Got those aces already. You know what you like. I think everybody likes pizza. Go get yourself some pizza. There we go. Big money. Let's go. 9. Nina 9. Six 3. That 9. Oh. Yo 11. That yo. We do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 375 if you're counting that. Let's do. We'll do 300 on that 8, and we'll do 300 on the 6. Let's do it. Midnight. 2 6s. Short of the devil. And that right there, I think that's going to be 750. Seven. Thank you right there. All right, can we hit that 6 and that 8 just once? 5 fever. Now I have to hit the 6 and the 8. Seven out. Yeah, that one stunk. All right. We're still in the game. You know what I mean? I think we're actually even now. Do 2 there. You know how we do. And the dice. Come on, let's hit that midnight ace again. 4. We're going to do 300 on that 6. We're going to do 150 on the 8. All right, we're all in right now. We're all in. Hard time. Telling the hard ways. So they take that 200. Put 300 on the 6, 300 on the 8. Let's do it. 9, meaner 9. Nine, 9, 9. Those 9s, man. Whew. Midnight ace. 6. That's going to be 350. We'll do 4. 350. So we'll do take this 100 and what? Let's do that. Let's go in the field. Nine. There we go. So we're gonna do. Let's keep doing the same thing. Put 100 on that 5. Actually, let's put 200 on the 5. 4 and 7. All right. Every time I bet big money, I lose. So I don't know. We're gonna be doing that again. It was fun. Of course, we're going to do big money again. You know we're going to do big money again. You know we're going to do big money again. But until then, this is Shooter Bones, a.k.a. The Midnight Eights, telling you to have a 50 roll day.